Hey guys, Richard here with Downgrid Survival. It is that time of year again. It is almost Black Friday, which means prices are being slashed and discounted on products that we all know and love. In particular, I'm talking about Ecoflow. Ecoflow has done it again. They're cutting their prices, slashing, and giving us great deals on products that we need to get prepared for our future when the lights go out. We know it's time, we know it's coming, we know with the times that are so uncertain right now that things are going to get even worse than they are. You need to get energy prepared, you need to get ready for that. And you can do it this Black Friday using Ecoflow. They've got some great products. We're talking about the Ecoflow Delta Pro over here. Love it, huge unit. They have slashed the prices, okay? They have drastically reduced it because they've got to get that stock out of here. Why? Because they got something brand new on the horizon, brand new, that I'm excited to share with you right now. I'm talking about the Delta Pro Ultra. Oh yeah, it's big, it's massive. It can power your entire home for up to a month, okay? We're talking about a huge system. I don't have it yet. You know, it's not available for other YouTubers, but I can show you on the computer what I'm talking about. Let's jump on there and take a quick look. Guys, check it out right here. They're Black Friday. Save up to $2,500 off. Biggest sale of the season. Starts November 2nd. Already started. Runs through November 16th. I tell you what, good times. But this is what we want to look at right here. The Ecoflow Delta Pro Ultra. Wow. One powers all is the slogan because it's huge. It's massive. Let's take a closer look at it. First of all, it's only available for pre-order right now. In fact, you can't even really pre-order it. You can buy a coupon. So for $300, you get a $1,500 coupon. You know, hey, I say if you're looking for a massive unit like this, buy the $300 coupon so that you can save $1,500 when this thing launches. It's going to be launching, I believe, in like January. But here you go. Let's take a look at it. The Delta Pro Ultra. They're saying it's a month long of power. That's because this unit is between 6 kilowatt hours and 90 kilowatt hours of capacity. Huge capacity. Look at that unit right there on the wall, okay? You've got the Delta Pro Ultra with 5 expansion batteries. And you can have 3 of these stacked up in your garage. And look, they've got a brand new home panel right here that can power it. Okay, so we're talking huge, huge, huge amounts of power for those of you who are looking for backup energy source. You no longer have to buy these giant power walls. You can get something like this right here. One of the great things about this is that it's portable. You can just unplug it all, pack it up, and take it with you without having to call an electrician like you would have to do with some of these giant power walls. So great on them for that. Look, one unit, all appliances covered. 120 volt and 240 volts of output, so you can run your air conditioner, your hot water heater, your washer and dryer. You can run everything on this unit right here. Massive, mind-blowing, because the innovation, I've watched Ecoflow grow through the last couple of years from when they were a smaller company offering smaller products to now they've got this massive unit. I'm excited for them. I'm real happy for them. Happy to be associated with them, happy to own some of their products. Look here, app, unlocked advanced backup with smart home panel 2. It is app controlled, so you can control everything about the energy in your home using this unit right here. You can set your unit to recharge itself at night when the rates are low, use all that power during the daytime when it's boiling hot outside and you're running your air conditioner. And then you recharge it all at night when those rates are lower. So it's going to lower your energy bill. Over the long term, you're going to save some money. Look here. What else are they telling us about it? Not much there. Okay. Bam. Hey, I've got something else for us to look at. I've got some eye candy. Let's go over here and look at it. Okay, here's a poster they gave us just to kind of give us some eye candy and to give us all the specs we need to know. 7,200 watts of output. Huge amount of output. I mean, how much does an air conditioner take? I don't know how much my air conditioner uses, but what is it? Yeah, a couple thousand watts, 3,000 watts or something at a time. Still plenty of output there to run your air conditioner or your microwave and your stove and your washer, your dryer, your dishwasher, all those conveniences that we think we can't live without when the electricity goes out. Here it is stacked up, humongous, just humongous there. Look right here. You can have 16.8 kilowatt hours of solar input. That means you can use portable power, you can hook up solar panels on your roof, build yourself a huge solar array, and still have 16 kilowatts of solar going back into the machine in order to charge it up if the grid goes down permanently. Huge. They've got 8 recharging methods, they're saying here. 0 decibel reading, I mean, that's just huge. 0 millisecond transfer, so use it when it's hooked up to your home using a smart panel. The electricity goes out because of a storm or something comes blowing through. 0 millisecond, instantaneous. It's going to switch over to the Ecoflow Ultra, and everything in your house is going to keep on churning. It's going to keep on running, and you're going to be using that backup stored energy when all your neighbors are sitting in the dark because of a storm. Yeah, this is something to be excited about. Wow, look at that. This is something to be excited about. Again, congratulations to Ecoflow for producing something like this. I can't wait to get more details about it, okay? I'm excited. I hope you are too. If you're looking for something like this, make sure you go out there, jump online, go buy that $300 coupon so you can save $1,500. But you know what? Just keep an eye out. I'm sure there's more information going to come out, and soon YouTubers are probably going to have their hands on it, and they're going to be able to demonstrate it. They're going to show you how easy it is to install and how easy it is to use. Yeah, good stuff coming out of Ecoflow. Man, stay tuned, because I hope to be able to bring you more information about this in the near future. Have any questions, comments, drop them down below. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in another video real soon, unless the lights go out permanently.